Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy stocks in your Fidelity 401k. If you want to take control of your retirement investments, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process. First, log into your Fidelity account. Once you are logged in, locate the section that includes your 401k plan. You should see an option that allows you to manage your investments or make changes to your portfolio. Click on this option to move forward. Next, you will want to explore the investment options available within your 401k plan. Fidelity typically provides a variety of choices, including mutual funds, target date funds, and company stock if applicable. Look for the option that allows you to invest in stocks. This may be labeled as stocks, self-directed brokerage, or something similar. After selecting the stock investment option, you will be able to search for specific stocks that interest you. Once you find the stocks you want to purchase, follow the prompts to place your order. Make sure to review your investment choices and any associated fees before finalizing your transaction. That's it. You are now set to buy stocks within your Fidelity 401k.